Okay, guys, welcome back. I went to Target and I just picked up the Lucas Stabilizer, the Champion Collection, guys. That's all I found today here. It's only at Target, True Metal. Here's the back of it. And, mostly from this set, I don't want any of them anymore because I just got this one because I don't have a Lucas Oil, so that's why I got this one. Again, here's the guys, only at Target. Go and unbox it now. That was a really quick open. There's probably not much glue on it. Of course, we have the awesome trading card, which is Lucas Stabilizer, Champion Collection. And here's the truck itself. You guys know what it looks like. There's a BKT printing, silver headers, the plastic, and Lucas Oil Products Stabilizer. It says the words there. Lucas Oil Products. Lucas Oil on top. There's his black roll cage, black tires. Gray chassis. There's no towing hitch, of course. And stars. So that's all I got today, guys. Not much new things. Just this. Like, subscribe, comment, share, guys, more videos coming soon. Peace out. Hope you enjoyed.